Welcome. In this video, we learn to use LaTeX equations into PowerPoint presentation. We can use a math type application, but it's not free. We will use a free application, which is known as Iguana Tech. You can download this from the internet. Go to Google and search Iguana Tech, and then open first link. For using this application, make sure that you have installed MikTeX or TeXlive in your system. Open download. From this given link, you can download this application. If you are using an institute ID for the internet, then you may not be able to download this one. Then you can go to this link. Once you download, then open PowerPoint. Just reduce the window size. Then go to File, Options, Add-ins. Go to Manage, PowerPoint Add-ins. Hit at Go, Add New. Just drag and drop the Iguana Tech which you have downloaded. This is the default path of the Microsoft add-ins. Press at OK. Close. Now we can see the Iguana Tech at the top of the PowerPoint ribbon. Click there. Go to Settings. Then Absolute. Inside Documents, create a temporary folder. Press at OK. Go to New LaTeX Display. For using LaTeX Math, it is better to use some more important packages. AMS Fonts, AMS Sim. We can also add color package, Xcolor. You can use any LaTeX package, but make sure that it should be installed in your system. Now press at Make Default. So from the next time you don't need to write all these things. Here in the document environment we can write the math. Press at Generate. We can see our equation. For editing the written equation, just select that particular equation. Then go to Edit LaTeX Display. We can also change the math font. For example, I want to use Math PT MX font. We can change the color. If you have already LaTeX equation, then you can directly copy and paste. For example, here I have written one equation in LaTeX editor. I'll copy. Then go to New LaTeX Display and paste here. Font package is not coming because we didn't make that default. Make it default so that we will not have to write it again from the next time. Generate it. Alright, so it's very easy and you can use this application. That's all. Thanks for watching.